Good morning. Hugo, you have a lot going on this morning. Are you making noises? Are you making noises? Oh, that was a big one. Good sneeze, sir. You are figuring stuff out, aren't you? Here, let me wipe off that drool. There we go. How's that? Is that better? Sir. What are you doing? What's going on? What are you doing? What is happening? Oh. Hey, hello. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Yeah, there's a smile. Can you get a smile? Uh-huh. Hugo, Hugo, hi.